Erythromycin. Uses. This medication is used to treat certain eye infections, such as conjunctivitis. It is also used to prevent certain eye infections in newborns. It belongs to a class of drugs known as macrolide antibiotics. Erythromycin works by stopping the growth of bacteria. This medication treats only bacterial eye infections. It will not work for other types of eye infections. Unnecessary use or misuse of any antibiotic can lead to its decreased effectiveness. How to use erythromycin ointment. To apply eye ointment, wash your hands first. To avoid contamination, be careful not to touch the tip of the tube or let it touch your eye, eyelid, or any other surface. Apply to the eyes only. Do not swallow or inject. Do not wear contact lenses while you are using this medication. Sterilize contact lenses according to the manufacturer's directions, and check with your doctor before you begin using them again. To apply eye ointments, tilt your head back, look up, and gently pull down the lower eyelid to make a pouch. Place about a ½ inch 1 cm strip of ointment into the pouch as directed by your doctor. Gently close the eye and roll the eyeball in all directions to spread the medication. Try not to blink and do not rub the eye. Repeat these steps for your other eye if so directed. Wipe the tip of the ointment tube with a clean tissue to remove extra medication before recapping it. Wait several minutes for your vision to clear before driving or operating machinery. The dosage is based on your medical condition and response to treatment. Do not increase your dose or use it more often than directed. If you are using another kind of eye medication, such as drops or ointments, wait at least 5 minutes before applying other medications. Use eye drops before eye ointments to allow the drops to enter the eye. Use this medication regularly in order to get the most benefit from it. To help you remember, use it at the same times each day. Continue using it for the full time prescribed. Stopping the medication too soon may allow the bacteria to continue to grow, which may result in a return of the infection. Side effects. Eye stinging, burning, redness or temporary blurred vision may occur. If any of these effects persist or worsen, tell your doctor or pharmacist promptly. Remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because he or she has judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. Use of this medication for prolonged or repeated periods may result in other types of eye infections, including fungal infections. Stop using this medication and contact your doctor if you notice new or worsening eye symptoms, such as pain, swelling, thick discharge or pus. A very serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare. However, seek immediate medical attention if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, including rash, itching, swelling, especially of the face, tongue, throat, severe dizziness, trouble breathing.